Hi, I'm Paul Terpster with Klover Products, and today we want to discuss the process of installing the hard mount to our Klover MiK 16-inch parabolic microphone. We have two styles of hard mount brackets. The first is our original flat bracket, and the second is our sound shield bracket. The sound shield not only provides a method of mounting the parabolic microphone using a magic arm or whatever bracketry you may have, but it also provides an extra layer of isolation to isolate the parabolic microphone from sounds coming from behind. We'll begin the process by removing the microphone yoke. Removing the microphone yoke allows us to lay the dish flat on a flat surface without any chance of damaging the microphone yoke. At this point, we'll remove the handles if they are in place. And once it is laying flat, you can take your hard mount bracket and place them over the three connectors. Retracting the collars slightly will allow the studs to mate with the receptacles and make a snug connection between the hard mount bracket and the dish. Once it's connected to the hard mount bracket, you can mount your bracket to your magic arm or bracketry that you may have. Or you may wish to do that before you mount the dish to the bracket. It's entirely up to you. At this point, you can reinstall the microphone yoke and your parabolic is ready to go. We have several more videos on our website concerning the assembly and operation of our parabolic microphones. We invite you to take a look at those and let us know if you have any questions. We'd be glad to help.